Hi guys, in this week's video we'll be adapting this IKEA light that we've picked up and securing it into that corner and hopefully wiring it in. And also we'll be changing this 3-pin socket and adding our USB and 12 volt socket. Stay tuned. Okay, so what I need to do is start by taking that cap off. So we've got the bed out. We need to get a feed for the 12 volt socket and the USB ports from there, which to the fuse box, which is just under here. I'll be able to see, but we have the wires cased running down in this other section here, underneath, and then into that back box, which will then go across the top and over into the sockets there. As you know, it's a struggle. We are short for space, so let's see how we go on. Okay, apologies for the mess, but we've had a big job breakout. So the heavens quietened off and I decided to wire the 12 volt socket and the USB in. So if you see at the back there's my fuse box, batteries are in there too. Let's wire that up. They come out the back here, underneath, into the back of this box, and then into the back of the sockets there. Now I do need to tidy that up. I'm going to put maybe like a junction box over the top to cover the wires, but they're all wired in. Okay, we're virtually tidied up. So there's our sockets in. I've not got round to wiring the light that we wanted to put in, simply because I don't know what to do yet, whether I'm going to put a wire straight over and have a plug socket inside maybe, so I don't have to mess around with the USB socket, or I'll take it apart and we hard wire it in. Yeah, I'm undecided yet, so we'll see. But as a tester for my sockets, I thought I'd plug it in and show you what it's going to work like. So we have the power. Obviously it moves around. Let me turn the other light off so we can still see how bright it is. So that's on dill. I think that's the brightness. So we can turn that back down. And we've got the different colour, should I say. I think there's a bright white, amber, and a mix of the two, I think. But yeah, you can dim them, get them dead bright. I'm really chuffed with that. But also, we've got our USBs in there, nice and neat. I say I do need to anchor that down somehow. I've yet to decide what I'm going to do. But yeah, also we can throw our phone on there as well. I'm pretty chuffed with that. So there we have it. We've got our socket in, all wired up. Obviously, still need to think about what I'm doing with this light, but I definitely want it there. I think it looks cool. So yeah, if you like the video, as always, like and subscribe. Press that bell, get your notifications when we're putting more content out. So next week we're at the Camping, Caravan and Motorhome Show at the NEC in Birmingham. We're really looking forward to it. A nice day out for us. See all the vans and all the camping accessories. We are looking at camping accessories as yeah, space is tight. One particular company we're looking to go and see is Collapse. They do some really good stuff. We have got our water carrier from them already, and they do a whole lot of other stuff. So yeah, we're going to go see them, so we'll get some gear. If you guys need anything space-wise and that, I definitely recommend them. Our water carrier is brilliant. What else is there to say other than, yeah, see you again soon.